If you're a fan of chips, then this is a recipe for you. These are my Ninja air-fried, really crispy yet fluffy chips. Hope you enjoy this. We all love chips in this house, and tonight I'm making these for my son. Don't even bother peeling these, absolutely no need. I'm literally going to slice these up into quite thin chips, like so. Once these are all sliced up, I'm going to parboil these before they go into the air fryer. I just find that you get a much nicer, fluffier chip for having done that. Obviously you don't have to worry about them being potentially raw in the middle either, or overdoing them on the outside. So I absolutely find that this is the best way. Nearly all chopped up. Let's go. Into a pan of water, parboil these for probably 5 minutes. They're not very thick, so I think 5 minutes will be plenty on these, and then I'll show you the next stage. We want to rough these up a little bit, get the sides of them a bit fluffy. In with some olive oil. That'd be lovely to coat those. Obviously, if you wanted them more low calorie, you could go with just some spray oil. That would work as well. But this does make these taste like the best ever chips. I love this. Roasted garlic and pepper. We're going to pop some of that onto them. That gives an amazing flavour. It's all quite simple, but it's just in a few little techniques and tips that make these taste so good. In with some salt as well. These now look ready to go in the air fryer. In they go. Get all the extra oil, salt, that's it. And these are going to go onto air fry now for 20 minutes on 180. Halfway, so we'll give these a little bit of movement just to make sure that they're all getting cooked fully, and then we'll continue. These have just finished. Wow, look at those gorgeous crispy chips. Who doesn't like chips? You can just hear the lovely crispy coating that these have got on them. Oh, delicious. These look so crispy yet fluffy in the middle. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button below and subscribe to my channel, as I've got plenty more gluten and dairy free recipes for you to enjoy. See you next time, bye.